Jai Hind to all the future officers. Today we will be studying about the core of Indian Army. In the previous video we studied about the 7 commands of Indian Army and their location. Today we will be studying about the core of Indian Army and their location. Corps just comes under the command. It is headed by the Corps Commander, who is a 3-star officer of the rank Lieutenant General. Each corps consists of 3 to 4 division, and there are total 14 corps in Indian Army. All these things I have already mentioned to you all. So starting from the first corps, it is also known as Strike Corps, and its headquarters are in Mathura, and it lies under the Southwestern Command. The second corps, it is also known as Kharga Corps, and its headquarters are in Ambala, Haryana, and it lies under the Western Command. The third corps, and its headquarters are in Rangpahad, Nagaland, and its command, it lies under the Eastern Command. The fourth corps, it is headquarters are located in Tezpur, Assam, and it lies under the Eastern Command. Now coming to the ninth corps. The fifth is the ninth corps. Directly from fourth corps, it is the ninth corps. So ninth corps comes in the state of Himachal Pradesh in the Yol region. The headquarters are located in Yol in Himachal Pradesh, and it lies under the Western Command. Now, the 10th Corps. The 10th Corps lies in Bhatinda, Punjab. Its headquarters are in Bhatinda, Punjab, and it lies under the Southwestern Command. Now, the 7th is the 11th Corps. 11th Corps' headquarters are in Jalandhar, Punjab, and it lies under the Western Command. Now, the 12th Corps. It is also known as Desert Command, and its headquarters is in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and it lies under the Southern Command. Now coming to the 14th Corps. The 14th Corps headquarters are in Leh, Ladakh. Headquarters are in Leh in the Ladakh Union Territory, and it lies under the Northern Command. Now the 15th Corps, which is the most famous corps, it is also known as Chinar Corps, and its headquarters are in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, and it comes under the Northern Command. Chinar Corps is always in the news because the maximum terrorist activities or the counterinsurgency operations are held in the Jammu and Kashmir region. So Chinar Corps plays a very important role and is always highlighted. Okay, so after the 15th Corps comes the 16th Corps, which is also known as White Knight Corps. Its headquarters are in Nagrota, Jammu and Kashmir, and it comes under the Northern Command. Now comes the 17th Corps. The 17th Corps is also known as Mountain Strike Corps. Its headquarters are in Siliguri, West Bengal, and it comes under the Eastern Command. Now comes the 21st Corps. It is also known as First Strike Corps XIPKF. So what does this mean? Ex Indian Peacekeeping Forces. In 1987, if you all know, in Sri Lanka, Indian troops were placed to fight the LTT for the rebellion. So it was at this 21st Corps at that time was the Indian Peacekeeping Force. After 1987, in 1990, it just became the 21st Corps, or it is also known as Sudarshan Chakra Corps, and its headquarters became Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and it lies under the Southern Command. Now the 33rd Corps, whose headquarters are in Siliguri, West Bengal, and it comes under the Eastern Command. So this was all about the 14 corps of the Indian Army. So this is all about our today video, and that's all. If you have any valuable feedbacks, just give them in the comment section. So that's all. Thank you so much.